I just want to show you our yellow squash. Look at our yellow squash. It's so pretty. Kasi marami siya. I have lots of little fruits.